In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a GoHighLevel email campaign. We'll start from the dashboard and walk through creating, designing, and scheduling a campaign so you can send professional emails with confidence. First, open your GoHighLevel account and head to your company dashboard. From there, look for the marketing section. Inside marketing, choose emails and then open the campaigns area. This is where all your one-off and scheduled email sends live. Click Create Campaign to get started. You'll be asked to choose an editor. In this example, we'll pick the Design Editor. The Design Editor is a drag-and-drop builder that makes it easy to add images, buttons, and sections without any coding. If you prefer full control over the HTML and CSS, the Code Editor is ideal. And if you want a minimalist message that looks like a personal note, use the Plain Text Editor, which can also improve deliverability for certain audiences. Next, give your campaign a clear, descriptive name so you can find it later and understand its purpose at a glance. Then, write your email. Build the layout, add your copy, include a strong call to action, and make sure your links work. Keep paragraphs short, use clear headings, and consider how it will look on mobile. Concise, value-focused messaging typically performs best. When you're happy with the content, choose Send or Schedule. In this example, we'll select Schedule. You'll see several options. Send Now sends immediately. Schedule lets you pick a specific date and time. Batch Schedule staggers delivery over a time window. RSS Schedule can automatically send new content from a feed. And Smart Send optimizes timing or respects quiet hours depending on your settings. Choose what fits your strategy and double-check your time zone. Set the exact date and time for the campaign. Then enter your sender details. Use a professional from name and a verified domain-based address to improve trust and deliverability. Avoid using free mailbox domains for bulk sends. Add your subject line, keep it short, clear, and relevant, and avoid spammy words or excessive punctuation. If preview text is available, use it to support your subject with an extra hook. Select your recipients. In this example, we'll choose all contacts. If you normally segment by tags or lists, you can do that here as well to keep your message targeted and compliant. Finally, click Schedule to lock it in. That's it. Your GoHighLevel email campaign is ready to go out at the time you selected. If this was helpful, subscribe for more.